Well, as the nation is celebrating Operation Sindoor's success, there have been multiple Tiranga Yatras that have been taking place across the country. Now, this is pictures coming in from Doda in Jammu and Kashmir as the nation salutes Operation Sindoor heroes. In Kishtwar as well, the pictures that have been coming in and similar pictures that have been coming in from every corner of the country as multiple Tiranga Yatras that are now being taken out, a proud display of patriotism that can be seen on the streets. Well, even multiple leaders and chief ministers who have been leading these yatras as multiple people and citizens who are participating in huge numbers with regards to these yatras that have now been taken.
देखिए, मैं इस बारे में कोई टीका टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा।
दो औरतों ने एक ही रात में पूरे पाकिस्तान को हिला के रख दिया।
तो कितना गर्व महसूस होता है?
हमें बहुत गर्व है कि हम
क्यों नहीं ऑपरेशन को?
हमें बहुत गर्व है कि हम भी सोचते कि हम भी उनकी तरह बने और अपने हिंदुस्तान वालों का बदला उन पाकिस्तानों को ले।
यहाँ पे स्लोगन लगे कि हम पाकिस्तान भी छीन लेंगे, क्या
छीन भी सकते हैं? जब वो अपनी हरकतों से बाहर नहीं आएंगे तो वो पीओके छीन भी सकते हैं।
उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे जो इस तरह की हरकतें करते हैं?
जो इस तरह
Well, message that has come across from the people there saying that this has been a huge success and Pakistan ko muh tod jawab diya, especially when Operation Sindoor that was launched with the sentiment where the massacre that was witnessed before the eyes of their families when their loved ones were killed on the spot, point blank. And however, this retaliation that has now come from India's side, their military dens, their headquarters that have been wiped off. And so when it comes to their headquarters, their military installations that have also been hit because of precise strikes that were carried out by India.